What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Tenorshare channel. We get so used to unlocking our iPad with the Touch or Face ID that at times we forget our passcode. Then the iPad unavailable message appears on the screen. After more failed attempts, we get the security lockout message. Fortunately, if your iPad is running iOS 15.2 or later, it's connected to a cellular or Wi-Fi network. Sign in with an Apple ID and enabled Find My. Then you can reset your iPad using your Apple ID password. All you have to do is keep entering the passcode until you see the Erase iPad option on the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. It says your iPad is in security lockout. You can try your passcode later or erase it now. Let's proceed. Enter the Apple ID password, and the erase process will begin. Once completed, you can set it up as a brand new one. If you don't see this option, or it disappears after a restart, you can unlock your iPad using 4 key on a computer. So once launch it, plug your iPad in. Click Start and Next. Select iPad from the drop-down menu right here and navigate to your device model. Then follow the instructions to put it into recovery mode. For an iPad with home button, press and hold the power and button at the same time until you see the recovery mode screen. You will get the latest iPad OS firmware. Go on to download it to a location you prefer. Once done, you can start unlocking. Well done. Now that the iPad has been unlocked, let's go ahead and set it up. If you need your data back, select Restore from iCloud or iTunes Backup when you get here. Then you can restore all your applications, data, and settings to your device, just as the way it is before. Moving on, iTunes also offers an option for the reset. Just make sure your iPad is still connected with the computer and in recovery mode. Then select the Restore option. After downloading the firmware, it'll start restoring. As you can see, iTunes does the trick too. If you use Find My with the same Apple ID on your other devices, you can erase your iPad using Find My, either the web version on iCloud.com, or as I'm going to use, the Find My app on an iPhone. Once open it, tap Device on the bottom, select your iPad. Swipe up and tap Erase this device. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Then the erase will begin. If succeeded, you will see the startup screen. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends. See you.